100 million cirarutiro for the sake of gukorwo na awareness program for the next 16 days ya twambire na kuga atiri no amenya kwina atumia mahoragwo na magakira ki aitha ni guconoka kana makona mundu ndagirirwo ni kwaria maundu maria arekika nyumba gwake but this awareness is yagirwo gukorwo andu mamenye mutumia amenya ati wahurwo no warie no thi borithi wethe kiria some sort of financial support legal support no nie thina uria ndinagwo na mbeca ici ni ati atongoria aya ri ma politicians ri ndimehokete muno
no araramata mbeca ici
riu aria marathiite kuona president kurai na women reps hau kurai na some MPs no gwiciria the key ringleader wa mbeca icio gukorwo ni the advice of women issues in the office of the president nie ndingikenera kuigua ati 100 million ihuthiritwe just for advocacy no na tariu case ino ya Shikuri part of that 100 million no ihuthirwo kumwethera wakiri
akana thibitari na maundu
ucio mureta mutungatiriri agirwo gukorwo njera thaa ici no ni akuma na case iyo ni guthira angikorwo Wanjiku ndakuona a strong lawyer ni akuma at the same time mbeca icio ri no cihuthirwo kumutwara treatment better treatment maybe in India or something Koko what I'm saying is that digenda kuona mbeca icio cikihuthirwo ati for awareness radio programs, TV programs, banners, posters tucoke twiro 100 million ni ciathira. We need ni kwagirwo gukorwo kwina mibango solid ya mbeca icio kuhuthika regetha other women can benefit